Hey folks, we're live at 1:33. And we are battling for Spencer's complete Yak Face figure. There he is. He's a nice one. He's a keeper. For somebody, we got 75 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find us a winner. Here we go. Paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 75. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5 to play. We got 6, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. John, round 1. Jay, round 2. And round 3. Matt Johnson, round 4. Danny, round 5. And our winner is Jay Haas, in at number 68. Congrats, Jay. Here's the verification code and official results for you. FHYOCD. Jay in at number 68's the champ of the Yak Face Battle by Spencer. I'm done at 1:35 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results in. Our winner, Jay in at number 68. Congrats. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.